Okay, we have some data visualizations from DBS, which is this big bang in Singapore. Pretty well documented. It's an older kit, so I don't expect it to have like dark mode and stuff like that. But if you need good charts, this might be what you're looking for. So there's actually a chart builder, some tutorials if you're not really familiar with these, and it looks pretty nice. Colors are a bit weird, especially at night. Blinds me. But yeah, otherwise it looks pretty solid, something that they would use in their financial apps. Nothing like that. I see some dark mode even here. Maybe I was wrong. Was I wrong? Maybe. I'm just trying to look at the actual colors and see, but it looks like it's done manual. Yeah, not bad. Lots of good, nice resources here if you need charts. And some of these, like these overlays, are like super hard to do. So it's nice that they showed examples. Yeah, doesn't include too many charts. Like there are many libraries, like GIS libraries, that have more options. But I guess this is what they use. So yeah, not bad at all. I do like the attention to detail.